This man you're seeing on the screen ranks 28 on the list of world's largest landowners. This man has spent $13.7 billion for bringing Whole Foods in his portfolio. Jeff Bezos. This man is so wealthy that him spending $135,000 is equal to an average American spending $1. So where does he keep all his wealth? Bezos has made several investments and luxuries on personal level and through his venture capital firm, Bezos Expeditions. In his starting days of wealth in 1998, he personally invested $1 million in Google, which is now worth of some $1 billion. Even if Amazon failed, Bezos will be a billionaire now. He bought Zappos for $1.2 billion in 2009. He bought the legendary Washington Post for $250 million. And as I said, Whole Foods for $13.7 billion in 2017. Bezos Expedition has invested in several startups, including blood testing biotech firm Gale, Stack Overflow, which is a popular software developer website, Insider, which is actually kind of surprising. You know, everybody knows that Washington Post, Zappos, Whole Foods are owned by Jeff Bezos, but nobody knows that Insider is also owned by Jeff Bezos. He owns a Spanish-style mansion in California, which he bought for $24.5 million. Bezos owns several condos in the historic Century building. He spent $80 million for 3 apartments at 212 Fifth Avenue, Manhattan. He also spent $165 million for the Berkeley Hills mansion. While on land, Bezos till 2013 was driving a Honda Accord, but in air, he travels in Gulfstreams. This man owns 2 Gulfstreams, one which cost him $65 million and the other one for $85 million. However, Jeff Bezos didn't sign the Gates Giving Pledge, which was started by Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. Taking the Gates Giving Pledge means that you are donating more than half of your fortune during your lifetime. Bezos didn't sign it, but his ex-wife, Mackenzie, did sign the Gates Giving Pledge. Bezos pledged that he would spend $10 billion to fight against the climate change. Bezos has supported the Mary's Place, which is an organization that provides shelter and employment training to those who are homeless. He has donated significant sums to Seattle Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center. He has also supported the Long Now Foundation, which seeks to build a giant mechanical 10,000-year clock underground. Bezos in his tweet said that this clock is a symbol of long-term thinking. And at last, one of his most ambitious projects, Blue Origin. Blue Origin has made several successful flights of its reusable New Shepard rocket and is now building a bigger one, which will be mostly reusable to compete with Elon Musk's SpaceX. In long term, Bezos' goal is to support large-scale human spaceflight and colonization of solar system. He also said that Blue Origin is the most important thing he's doing at present and plans to spend his entire fortune on space exploration. Bezos has spent plenty of cash with his girlfriend Lauren Sanchez. He threw a star-studded birthday bash for her. Even in pandemic, he continues to grow his wealth and reach the mark of $200 billion and be the first ever person to reach the mark. However, his continued growth has drawn increasing scrutiny from lawmakers. Bezos testified with Tim Cook, Mark Zuckerberg and Sundar Pichai. Now in third quarter of 2021, Jeff Bezos has planned to step down as the CEO of Amazon and move into executive chair of Amazon board as he plans to focus on new products and early initiatives.